Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you have not had a chance to do so already, definitely subscribe to the channel, become part of our home decor family, and also take a look at some of the previous videos that we have posted. We have some great videos about everything, but in today's video, let's talk about an elegant and gorgeous, glam, luxurious dining room. Okay guys, so before we officially get started, don't forget to head on over to facebook.com and follow us. Join our group over there, And Then There Was Style. Also follow us on TikTok and of course Pinterest, one of my favorite apps, at the same name, And Then There Was Style. Now let's get into this video. So, the glam and luxurious dining rooms that are going to be showcased in this video will surely spark your creativity if you love glamorous and luxurious decor and design. Now, there are a few characteristics of glam and luxurious decor that will always stand out to me personally. Glamorous design is known for its use of metallic, shiny surfaces, velvet fabric, and really bold colors. It's a design aesthetic that is reminiscent of the golden ages of old Hollywood. The dining room is the perfect place for a glam look, as your shiny silverware will fit right in. So what does a glam dining room really look like? Here, you will find lots of metallic accents, gold frame furniture, velvet upholstered dining chairs, just to name a few ideas. Beyond that, you'll find rooms decorated in black and gold or simple glass dining room tables that really keep the room light and chic. The possibilities are seemingly endless when it comes to glam dining room decor ideas. So let's look at a few examples right now and examine why they are so chic and glam. So tell me how absolutely beautiful these teal velvet chairs with gold metal framing are. The black and white rug and tropical wallpaper make for a boldly designed room. I actually love this room. You cannot go wrong with chrome or silver accents when it comes to a glam room. The beautiful dark walls and details of this room makes the luxurious furniture and accents stand out even more. So traditionally, we always see square or rectangular dining room tables. Do you all have a circular formal dining room table, or would you consider getting one? I think they're really elegant. I actually love them. I've never had one though. So those of you all that really know me, have been watching the channel for a while, know that there is just something about that green and gold for me. I absolutely love it, and I love it especially with this floor. So I absolutely love the pulls on the back of these chairs. I think they're so elegant. But here's a hack for you. These chairs are pricey. They sell these pulls on Amazon and at Hobby Lobby, and you can just put them on the chairs that you already own. Ay, you guys, I love these chairs. This is so beautiful to me. I remember when benches used to be super casual, but now adding a nice bench or a settee to your dining room gives you a really just glam look. Would you all use this in your home? And of course, we talked about using metallic and gold accents and choosing dining chairs that have that metallic frame. So here's some great examples for you. I just think these chairs are so elegant. I feel like I'm using that word a lot in this video. Oh my goodness, you guys, all I have to say is this chandelier. Wow. Alrighty guys, as we are nearing the end, oh this room is beautiful, but sorry, as we're nearing the end of this video, I just had to ask you, go ahead and comment your favorite room down below, or let me know if you love any of the specific pieces of furniture in this video. I absolutely love the look of a glam, luxurious dining room. I think a dining room is one of those things that we used to have like in a lot of the homes that were being built, but now it's being opted out for, you know, maybe another flex room or something, which is cool. And it's, if your family needs that space, that's definitely what you should utilize it for. But I feel like there is nothing better than a nice designated space of a dining room specifically. I know a lot of homes are going open concept right now, and I do like the dining spaces, but there's just something so regal and formal and elegant about a just truly dining room. I absolutely love that. I love a formal dining room. But comment down below, do you guys have a formal dining room? And if you have it, do you actually use it? Because I know a lot of people say, well, I have one, we just don't use it, which is why they use the space for something else. But yeah, I'm all ears. Just comment down below. Alright guys, so I've already asked you to comment your favorite luxurious dining room down below. If you want to know a room that I felt was beautiful, it's this room right here. You know, I already have a thing for gold. I think you guys know that about me. And I love blue and gold and green and gold, but this gray and gold is really doing something to me. And I love the style of these chairs. Alright guys, that was today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so you do not miss an upload. It's been so fun guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye!